Your raw hair looks fake, and this is because you're not washing it the right way. We'll be showing you the only 2 products you need, including an afterwash product. Start off by detangling your wig first, then you go in with your Tresemme Moisture Shampoo. Next, I'm drenching the hair in water before adding the shampoo because this ensures that the shampoo penetrates properly into the hair. Then I start off washing the hair by moving my hands downwards, so you're pulling the hair downwards. The reason that you're not washing the hair in a different side is just to ensure that your hair is washed correctly to avoid any tangles due to the cuticles being aligned. Just imagine washing your 4C hair and you haven't detangled it. You will be facing the same issues if it's not washed with the cuticles in mind. Another pro tip is to wash your hair the way your part is aligned. As you can see, my finger is underneath, so I don't lose that pattern. This helps to avoid manipulation of the lace, like trying to pat the hair again, so your lace can last a long time. Now fully washed, we're going in with the conditioner. Here my kids are disturbing me as usual. They'll struggle to film with children. I have run out of the Osmo conditioner, but we're gonna go the African way with this one. Scooping what is left onto the hair, but I'm gonna dip this hair into this because I need to take out all that conditioner. We cannot let that go to waste. Massaging the conditioner into the hair, you need to saturate the conditioner because what we are looking for is moisture and the ease of detangling. I start with the nape of the neck. You will always get a bit of tangle, especially if the hair is very dirty due to sweat or product. Key to a good raw hair is 0 to minimal shedding, 0 to minimal tangling of the hair. I got confused here because I wasn't getting the kind of curls that I wanted. Then I remember, I needed my diamond brush. This brush just helps define the curls and make it nice and curly. At this rate, my baby said she wanted me to carry her, so I had to take a break. Once the conditioner is fully saturated, I left it in for 10 minutes. Look at the curls. I love the way they're looking already. Then I rinsed it out. But that is not all. You can't just wash your hair and expect it to look its best. You need our last product, which I will be showing you towards the end. Despite all of the detangling, as you can see, there's 0 to minimal shedding of the hair. Leaving the hair to hair dry, I left it to hair dry and it was about 10% wet. So I just went in with my comb just to take out any kinks that I left during washing. Now, this is one of my favorite products when it comes to raw hair. You just need to spray it very sparingly on the hair, then you brush it out. You can use your hands to distribute all of the products into the hair. All products used will be left in the description. Your hair will come out so nice and fluffy. Trust me, you will come back and thank me using just these 3 products. If you also want a defined curls, you can do that because raw hair is very versatile. And I will be sharing the exact steps to get a defined, long-lasting curls. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.